Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Rafique Pitafi, Government Degree College, Latifabad, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to deliver my second lecture on coronavirus. In this lecture, we will discuss about the symptoms and effect of coronavirus on the human organs and on the basis of this, and also we will discuss about the taste pattern, and other will be the few other things that are the precautions and dangerous conditions for you and me including. So let's move. Coronavirus uh, coronavirus uh, uh, already I have discussed coronavirus, taken from the Latin word crown, means crown, and this name given by Almeida and Tyrrell, uh, and also this name first time published in 1968 in Nature Journal. So many viruses are present that are named as coronavirus. Means this is not single virus that you are knowing, you are showing that is a coronavirus. Around about seven viruses are present that are known as a coronaviruses, and they have different symptoms, different effects. But this virus is very dangerous. Now this virus, which we are going to discuss here, that's known as COVID-19, or we can say the SARS-2 virus. This is a SARS and MERS and COVID-19. These are very dangerous viruses that cause similar effects on the human body. SARS severe effect on the respiratory effects parts, and MERS, this is a Middle East respiratory syndrome, we can say the effect caused by the COVID, and this one is a COVID virus. This is known as SARS-2 or COVID-19 virus. Let's move. COVID-19 virus that usually transmit from one person to another person, yeah, from one organism to another organism, especially in human body. That is due to the droplet infection, sneezing, coughing, or we can say the flu, and different other symptoms that appear on the body. Normally, this virus enter into the body through the respiration, through the air inhalation. Means this virus that means incubation period inside the body is around about 14 days, and 1 to 3 days, first 3 days, it show little bit effect, that may be the fever, that may be the upper respiratory problems, it's maybe the little bit other things. Means around about 80% people, patients that show this type of symptoms inside the body. Around about 80% patients of COVID, coronavirus, SARS-2, that show the effects, yes, symptoms on the body. That is the fever. That one is the upper respiratory problems, or we can say the flu, or little bit other things that are appearing. 4 to 9 days after infection, that reach into the lungs, into the body, it show round about 14% symptoms patients show the inside the body. So normally this virus 4 to 9 days take reach into the lungs, and it affect damage the internal respiratory capacity of lungs, and it cause many dangerous problems, especially for the breathing. Means a short breathing, yeah, effect on the respiratory system, respiration. And around about 9 to 15 days, or we can say the 18 to 15 days, that are very critical and dangerous position. In this position, especially person reach on the ventilation. Means there is a muscular fatigue, there is a lungs problem, there is a number of other breathing problems that affect on the body. means around about 5% people that reach on this stage and cause very critical condition on the body. So 5% symptoms show 5% 5% patients show these type of symptoms 8 to 15 days, and around about 3 weeks are the time period. After that, this virus ultimately body utilized, yeah, body degenerated, body decomposed. Either it means effect on the human body, it may cause the death also. Means after 21 days or more than 20 days, means if person is in critical condition, there is a chance of death, or there is a chance of, especially for the treatment, long time treatment. If a person have after 21 days there is no any kind of symptom, so after that we get another test. After that test, if that person is normal, then we release that one. So means patient that have the positive effect of this virus, that should be quarantine. Quarantine means that should be placed in given area, that should be placed in the room, that should be in placed in a home, and it should be restricted to meet with other person. If that person meet with other one, that may spread to other, that may spread to other, because this is a pandemic condition, or we can say this one is a spreading problem, because that release into the air and air carry that one. And symptoms, how to coronavirus kill the human body, or we can say its effect on the human body, that are the number of symptoms you can see. One is the runny nose, cough, and sore throat, high temperature. These are the main things. And also it affect on the number of organs, that may affect on the brain, that may affect on the digestive system, that may affect on the kidney, that may affect on other organ of the body, because this virus is very dangerous for the most of the organs, because they have no means particular organ for their means incubation, that can incubate everywhere, that can incubate in all type of organs, yeah, all type of your organ systems inside the body. That's why it is more dangerous than other viruses. Novel spread, virus spread, especially from one person to another person due to the sneezing, coughing, yeah, during speaking, it release out the sputum outside, and also means air is the, it is the droplet infection, airborne infection especially. So death may affected by this virus, means its effect on the death ratio. Why? Because that effect on the lungs. Lungs are the main respiratory organ of our body. So it causes pneumonia. It means cause dangerous problem inside the body. So COVID-19 test done by two mechanism, two ways. One means cotton swab inserted into the nasal cavity or into the oral cavity to get the sample and carry toward the lab. Then means by the help of PCR mechanism get test, either it is positive or negative. In other mechanism is by the help of blood, collect blood. It take a little bit time, means when virus insert into the body, means the first virus is present in the nasal cavity. If that enter into the blood, then body can release antibodies, means we try to see the antibodies, the effect of that person against that virus inside the body. So this is the protection mechanism, means for the protection we must use the mask, sanitizers, and hand wash. Hand wash is a main thing to wash our hands, especially to release, to means to wash viruses from your mouth, from your body, from your especially virus is dangerous. It usually live on side the body. So dangerous crowds means if you avoid the crowd, means less virus effect on the human population. So means if you are trying to protect yourself, protect your family, then stay at home. Means one is the main thing that that can protect you. This is a roadmap how virus is, means first time observed, first time declared